discover the warp tool for the text. So if you select our text, double click on it to select it, and here we have the warp text. We have all of these presets. With each preset you have some controls. You can bend it, horizontal distance and vertical distance. If you don't want this black highlight of the selection, just go to the move tool, then go to the type tool. Like this you will have the settings for the text, and we have the warp text here. From the warp text you have a lot of presets. You can choose from them, and also you can do it manually, playing with the bends and vertical and horizontal distance. And actually this is all about the bend text. You go ahead and discover all of the presets and play with the settings. I'll see you in the next lesson, and I will show you how to put your text alongside a path. See you there.